Dynamics. Thermo heat dynamics motion caused due to force. Action of force on moving body is known as work. The main aim of thermodynamics is to convert non-organized form of energy into organized form of energy work. Thermodynamics is branch of science that deals with heat and work interaction and its effects on properties of system. The subject thermodynamics is based on certain basic laws like law of conservation of energy, mass, etc. Most importantly, thermodynamics tell us what are not possible. Example, no heat engine can give 100% efficiency. How to study thermodynamics microscopic point of view. In microscopic approach, our attention is focused on each and every molecule of the system, and to know overall behavior we will sum up the behavior of individual by some statistical means. It is also known as statistical thermodynamics. It is useful for low densities, rarefied gases or low pressure gases. Individual behavior of molecule is considered. Macroscopic point of view. In macroscopic approach, our attention is focused on certain quantity of matter without going without going the event occurring at molecular level. It is also known as classical thermodynamics. In our course we will follow classical thermodynamics only. In this we will try to establish the relation between measurable and non-measurable properties. Measurable properties like pressure, temperature, volume, etc. Non-measurable properties like enthalpy, entropy, internal energy. Concept of continuum gives criteria to apply macroscopic viewpoint. Rho is equal to dm by dv. Rho v domain of domain molecular effect domain of continuum. Rho is equal to dm by dv. In macroscopic viewpoint, we are always concerned with the volume, which is very large compared to molecular dimension. Even a small volume of a system is assumed to contain a large number of molecules. Concept of continuum gives minimum volume which we have to consider so that averaging is meaningful and matter can be considered as continuous. For solids and liquids it always holds good, but for gases it is not always true. To check whether concept of continuum is valid or not, Knudsen number is used, which is ratio of mean free path to characteristic dimension. That is, Kn is equal to mean free path by characteristic dimension. If Kn less than 0.1, then the concept of continuum is valid and we can use macroscopic viewpoint. Mean free path by characteristic dimension. Less than 0.1 means mean free path is lesser, characteristic dimension is more. Then concept of continuum is valid. Thermodynamic thermodynamic system, surrounding and boundary. Thermodynamic system is it defined as quantity of matter or region in space where our attention is focused. Everything external to a system is known as surrounding. The system is separated from its surrounding by boundary. System thermodynamic boundary surrounding universe. Thermodynamic boundary real, fixed, moving, imaginary. Real boundary does not allow mass transfer through it. Imaginary boundary allows mass transfer through it. To get work from closed system, minimum one boundary should be moving. Second classification, thermodynamic boundary adiabatic, no heat transfer. Q is equal to delta T by RTH. Diathermal allows heat transfer. RTH tends to 0. RTH tends to infinity, Q tends to 0. Types of thermodynamic systems. There are three types of thermodynamic systems. Closed system. In closed system, there is no mass interaction between system and surroundings. No mass can enter or leave the system. That is, mass of system remains constant, and this fixed mass is known as control mass. Closed system is also known as control mass system. In closed system, heat interaction and work interaction may take place between system and surroundings. Example, rigid container M is equal to C, V is equal to C, Q can interact W here 0. Piston cylinder arrangement, M is equal to constant gas, the Q can interact, work also can interact without walls. Piston cylinder arrangement without walls. Open system, in open system mass interaction also takes place along with energy interaction, heat and work. Example, turbine, compressor, pump, heat exchanger, etc. M dot M1 dot M2 dot work. In Fourier analysis of open system, our attention is focused on fixed region in space known as constant volume. Open system is also known as control volume system. Isolated system, in isolated system neither mass nor energy interaction takes place between system and surroundings. Example, perfectly insulated rigid container. The best example of isolated system is our universe. Thermodynamic properties are the characteristics by which a system it can be identified. Thermodynamic properties, intensive, independent of mass or size of system. Example, pressure, temperature, density, thermal conductivity, etc. M, V, E, P, T, rho is equal to M by V. Extensive depends on mass or size of system. Example, mass, volume, internal energy, entropy, enthalpy, electrical energy, magnetic field, etc. If this is divided into halves, then m by 2, m by 2, v by 2, v by 2, e by 2, e by 2. These are extensive. P, T, rho remains same intensive. When dividing into two equal parts, there should not be any external interaction. Example, piston cylinder. Note, ratio of two extensive properties is always intensive property. Specific properties are intensive property. Extensive by mass, defined only for extensive properties. Properties are independent of past history. The value of property does not depend on how it is achieved. Properties are point function or state function. Properties are exact differential. Example, dt is equal to t2 minus t1, dx is equal to x2 minus x1, but dw is not equal to w2 minus w1. For ideal gas, dz exact differential dou m by dou y at a constant x is equal to dou n by dou x at a constant y. M dx plus n dy is equal to dz. For ideal gas, dz is equal to dt by t minus v dp by t. Dou m by dou p at constant temperature is equal to 0. Dou n by dou t at constant pressure is equal to 0. Therefore, z is a property. State of a system. State represents condition of system and condition is identified by properties. A system is said to be in a state if all properties of system have fixed and definite value. Gibbs phase rule. Let there be m total number of properties and n total number and in which n are independent. It means that if we fix n independent properties, then remaining m minus n properties will be automatically fixed. To find minimum number of independent parameters as properties required to fix state of system, Gibbs phase rule is used, according to which p plus f is equal to c plus 2. Water H2O P P is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, here F is equal to 2, pressure and temperature. Steam H water, P is equal to 2, C is equal to 1, F is equal to 1, pressure or temperature is enough. If 3, P is equal to 3, C is equal to 1, F is equal to 0, triple point. T triple point is equal to 0.01 degrees centigrade, P triple point is equal to 0.6117 kilopascal, which is 611.7 Pascal. Process and path. Change of state is known as process. Series of equilibrium states through which a system passes through during the process is known as path of process. Path of process 1 to 2, like this. Process reversible process. A process is said to be reversible if it is reversed. If it reverses, then follows same path as that of forward path without affecting system as well as surroundings. Irreversible friction is main cause of irreversibility. All spontaneous processes in nature are irreversible. Quasi-static process. The word quasi means almost. So quasi-static process is almost static process. It is an infinitely slow process occur in such a way that each and every intermediate state is in equilibrium. Almost infinitely slow process. P1 V1 Pi Va, so on P2 V2. All reversible processes are quasi-static, but all quasi-static process need not be reversible. Frictionless quasi-static process is reversible. Frictionless even quasi-static can have friction, so it only frictionless quasi-static process is reversible. Thermodynamic cycle. A system is said to be undergone a cycle if initial and final condition of the system are same. For a cycle, change in property is zero. Minimum two processes are required to form a cycle. Thermodynamic equilibrium. A system is said to be in thermodynamic equilibrium if there is no change, no any unbalanced potential or driving force present within the system. To meet condition of thermodynamic equilibrium, three types of equilibrium are required. Thermal equilibrium, equality of temperature; mechanical equilibrium, equality of all properties which may cause work transfer, no work transfer; chemical equilibrium, a system is said to be in chemical equilibrium if there is no any chemical reaction or a mass transfer takes place within the system. Ideal gas, a gas which obeys ideal gas equation at all pressure, temperature and volume is known as ideal gas. PV is equal to PV is equal to MRT. P absolute pressure kilopascal, V volume meter cube, M mass kg, R characteristic gas constant kilojoule per kg Kelvin, T absolute temperature Kelvin. Number of moles is N is equal to mass by molecular weight. M is equal to N into M. PV is equal to NMRT. Avogadro hypothesis. According to Avogadro hypothesis, at a particular pressure, temperature and volume, every gas has same number of molecules. Mr is equal to constant. Mr is equal to R bar. R bar is equal to 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole Kelvin. PV is equal to N R bar T. For ideal solid rigid body, intermolecular forces are infinitely large. For ideal gas, intermolecular forces are zero. Any gas can behave like ideal gas under very low pressure and very high temperature, P less than 10 kilopascal or T greater than 2 Tc. By kinetic theory of gases, ideal gas can be derived by considering two assumptions. The molecules of gas do not occupy any volume. There are no attractive force between the molecules. Clashes pointed out that free volume available for molecular motion is V minus B and gave the equation as P into V minus B is equal to MRT. Van der Waals took into consideration the effect of volume occupied by gas molecules as well as effect of attractive forces between between the molecules and gave the equation as P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to MRT. Where A by V square is correction factor for intermolecular forces. B is correction factor for volume of gas occupied. Yes, this is the gas remaining for pressure, and this is the pressure remaining. This is the pressure that comes into effect as intermolecular forces will be there. This is what it affects. So more P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to MRT. Ideal gas, perfect ideal gas, Cp and Cv are constant with respect to temperature. Semi-perfect gas, Cp and Cv are function of temperature. By Avogadro hypothesis, By Avogadro hypothesis, Mr is equal to R bar, R air is equal to R bar by M air is equal to 8.314 by 29 is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. R helium is equal to 8.314 by 4 is equal to 2.08 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. R CO2 is equal to 8.314 by 44 is equal to 0.187 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. We know for ideal gas Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Adiabatic index gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. Cp is equal to gamma Cv. Cv is equal to R by gamma minus 1 is equal to R bar by M into gamma minus 1. Cp is equal to gamma Cv. Gamma is equal to gamma R by gamma minus 1 is equal to gamma R bar by M into gamma minus 1. Cv air is equal to 8.314 by 29 into 1.4 minus 1 is equal to 0.718 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Cp air is equal to gamma Cv air is equal to 1.005 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Cv air is equal to 8.314 by 4 into 1.67 minus 1 is equal to 3.102 kilojoule per kg. Cp helium 5.181 kilojoule per kg Kelvin, like that for CO2 also. Mixture of two or more ideal gases also behave like ideal gas. Sigma m is equal to m1 plus m2 so on. V is equal to v1 plus v2. V is equal to v1 v2 equal v1 is equal to v2 is equal to so on. T is equal to T1 is equal to T2 so on. P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus so on. Sigma n is equal to n1 plus n2 so on. R mixture is equal to m1 r1 plus n2 r2 by m1 plus m2 so on. M mixture is equal to n1 m1 plus n1 to m2 so on by n1 plus n2. Here it is capital M mix. P1V is equal to N1 R bar T, P2V is equal to N2 R bar T, P1 plus P2 so on into V is equal to N1 plus N2 so on into R bar T. PV is equal to sigma N R bar T. We know P is equal to P1 plus P2 so on. This which is Dalton's law. From equation 1 and 2, sigma N is equal to N1 plus N2 so on. Mole fraction, it is defined as ratio of number of moles of gas to the total number of moles in a mixture. Xi is equal to Ni by sigma n. X1 is equal to N1 by N1 plus N2 plus N3 so on. X2 is equal to N2 by N1 plus N2 plus N3 so on. X1 plus X2 plus so on equal to 1. For individual gas, PIV is equal to Ni R bar T. PV is equal to Nr bar T. Equation 1 by equation 2, Pi by P is equal to Ni by sigma n is equal to Xi. Pa is equal to Xip. Equivalent gas constant, a characteristic gas constant of mixture P1V is equal to M1 RT, P2V is equal to M2 RT, so on. P1 plus P2 so on into V is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2 so on into T. PV is equal to sigma MR equivalent into T. From equation 1 and 2, R equivalent is equal to M1 R1 plus M2 R2 so on by M1 plus M2 so on. Similarly, CV mixture is equal to M1 CV1 plus M2 CV2 so on by M1 plus M2 so on. CP mixture is equal to M1 CP1 plus M2 CP2 by M1 plus M2 so on. Equivalent molecular weight of mixture M is equal to N capital M. M1 is equal to N1 capital M so on. M1 plus M2 so on is equal to N1 M1 plus M2 N2 M2 so sigma M is equal to sigma NME. From equation 1 and 2, M equivalent is equal to N1 M1 plus N2 M2 so on by N1 plus N2 so on. Mass fraction, it is defined as ratio of mass of gas to total mass of mixture. Mass fraction I is equal to Mi by sigma M. Relation between mass fraction and mole fraction, Mi is equal to Ni capital Mi. Sigma M is equal to Nme. Mi by sigma M is equal to Ni by sigma N is equal to into Mi by Me. Mass fraction I is equal to Xi into Mi by Me. Mass fraction I is equal to Xi into Mi by Me. mr is equal to r bar, m is equal to r bar by r, mf is equal to mf1 is equal to xi into r bar by ra by r bar by re, mfi is equal to xi into re by ra. Concept of temperature and zeroth law of thermodynamics. Temperature macroscopic viewpoint. Temperature is defined as property by virtue of difference of that property heat flows. Microscopic point of view. Temperature is defined as average kinetic energy of molecule. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. When two bodies are in thermal equilibrium with third body, then they are in thermal equilibrium with each other. If A is thermal equilibrium with B and C is in thermal equilibrium with B, then zeroth law says A is in thermal equilibrium with C. Reference B is reference body. Act as thermometer. Principle of thermometry based on zeroth law of thermodynamics. In thermometry, a property which varies with respect to temperature is found first, and with the help of this property unknown temperature can be found. Type of thermometer. Thermometric property. Mercury glass tube thermometer. Length. Constant volume gas thermometer. Pressure. V is equal to C. P directly proportional to T. Constant pressure gas thermometer. Volume. V directly proportional to T. Thermistor. Resistor. Thermistor. Balance condition. R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4. Electrical resistance. Thermocouple based on Seebeck effect EMF T1 T2. Pyrometer intensity of radiation. Methods of temperature measurement. Two reference points system. In this method, two reference points are used: ice point of water, that is 0 degree centigrade, and steam point of water 100 degree centigrade. T is equal to A plus BP. Ice point Ti is equal to A plus BPI. 0 is equal to A plus BPI. Steam point 100 is equal to A plus BPS. B is equal to 100 by PS minus PI. A is equal to minus 100 PI by PS minus PI. T is equal to minus 100 by PS minus Pi plus 100 P by Ps minus Pi. Note two thermometers which are agree at the ice point and steam point. It does not mean intermediate temperature also same. It may be different. Single reference point system. In this method, single reference point is used, that is triple point of water. T is equal to AP. T triple point is equal to AP triple point. A is equal to 273.16 by P triple point. T is equal to 273.16 P by P triple point. Mostly gas thermometers are calibrated by this method. All temperature scales are arbitrary. Steam point 100 degrees centigrade, 0 degrees centigrade, 32 Fahrenheit, 212 Fahrenheit. Uh, this is some random example. 273.15 Kelvin, 373.15 Kelvin. This is 0 Kelvin. These are questions. Work and heat. A closed system and its surroundings can interact in two ways: work transfer, heat transfer. Work transfer in mechanics, action of force on moving body is known as work. In thermodynamics, work is said to be done by system if sole effect external to the system can be reduced in form of lifting weight. In form of lifting weight. For this motor is there, battery motor which can drive fan. This can be altered by sole effect of rising weight. If you put W, it can rise weight. If a battery bulb, then it can be replaced like this. It can also rise weight. So both can be. The weight may not be actually raised. Only effect external to the system can be reduced in the form of lifting weight. Here if this whole thing is system, then mechanical work. If there is this whole thing along with fan is system, no work transfer. Work is boundary phenomena. We can see here there is work, here there is no work. Boundary phenomena. It has only significance when it crosses the boundary of system. Work transfer is transfer of energy across boundary of system other than due to temperature difference. Convention of work transfer: work is done by the system is taken as positive, whereas work done on the system is taken as negative. Work done by the system positive, done on the system negative. Here gas moving the weight expansion process positive work, gas moving down compression work negative work. Expansion work is always positive and whereas compression work is always negative. Closed system work or non-flow work or displacement work or PdV work. Gas P1 V1 P1 no P2 V1 V2 gas P2 it moved to P2 V2. dW is equal to F dx. dW is equal to a PA into dx. A into dx is dV. W1 to 2 is equal to integral 1 to 2 PdV. Closed system, quasi-static, frictionless, which these two mean reversible process. Area of strip is equal to PdV. Total area is equal to integral 1 to 2 PdV is equal to closed system reversible work. Area under the curve when projected on volume axis on PV diagram gives closed system reversible work. Note A, B, though endpoints are same for A and B process, this is A, this is B, but work is not same because area under the curve is not same. So work transfer depends on path followed by the system. Work transfer is a path function. Work transfer for various closed system processes. Constant volume process for ideal gas, PV is equal to MRT, V is equal to C, P directly proportional to T. P2 by P1 is equal to T2 by T1. Ideal gas equation for constant volume, V is equal to C. So dV is equal to 0, W is equal to integral 1 to 2, PdV is equal to 0. M is equal to C, V is equal to C, Q, P, V, heat added, heat rejected. If heat is added, pressure increases. Heat rejected, pressure decreases. Constant pressure process for ideal gas, PV is equal to MRT, P is equal to C, V directly proportional to T, V1 by T is equal to T1 by T2. Q the P atmosphere, P W1 to 2 integral 1 to 2 PdV. Constant pressure, so P outside integral 1 to 2 dV. W is equal to P into V2 minus V1. P is equal to P atmosphere plus W by A. Piston is free to move, so then a constant pressure, P is equal to P atmosphere plus W by A. This is expansion heat addition process. This is a heat rejection compression process. Isothermal, very slow process. For ideal gas, PV is equal to MRT, T is equal to constant, PV is equal to C. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 is equal to C. P is equal to C by V. Isothermal expansion possible when heat is added to the system, whereas isothermal compression is possible when heat is rejected to the heat is rejected from the system. W is equal to integral 1 to 2 PdV is equal to integral 1 to 2 C by V dV. W is equal to C ln V2 by V1 is equal to P1 V1 ln V2 by V1 is equal to P2 V2 ln V2 by V1. 1 to 2 compression Q out to 1 to 2 expansion Q in T Q out T P1 V1 piston moving slowly. Stoppers are there. Ideal gas undergoing isothermal process follow rectangular hyperbola in PV diagram. Adiabatic process, no heat transfer. Ideal gas equation for PV power gamma is equal to C, where gamma is adiabatic index. Reversible adiabatic process, P1 V1 power gamma is equal to P2 V2 power gamma. Gamma is equal to Cp by Cv. P is equal to C by V power gamma. W is equal to integral PdV is equal to integral 1 to 2 C by V power gamma dV is equal to C into V power minus gamma plus 1 by 1 minus gamma V1 to V2. Finally W is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by gamma minus 1. Adiabatic is very fast process. This is expansion, this is compression. Polytropic process, ideal gas equation for polytropic process, PV power N is equal to C, where N is polytropic index. 1 less than N less than gamma. W is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by N minus 1. All process in PV diagram can be represented in the form of PV power K is equal to constant, where Ks depends on the process. PV power K is equal to constant, K is equal to 0, constant pressure, P is equal to C, constant pressure process, K is equal to 1, PV is equal to C, isothermal process, K is equal to N, PV power N is equal to constant, polytropic process, 1 less than N less than gamma, N polytropic index, K is equal to gamma, PV power gamma is equal to constant, adiabatic process, K is equal to infinity, V is equal to constant, constant volume process. Representation of various processes on PV diagram. PV power K is equal to 0, K is equal to infinity, K is equal to 1, K is equal to N, K is equal to gamma. This is constant volume, this is constant pressure. Similarly, PV power K, when compression, K is equal to infinity, K is equal to infinity, K is equal to 0, K is equal to gamma, N 1. Slope of various processes on PV diagram. Slope of constant pressure process theta is equal to 0, slope tan theta is equal to 0. Slope of constant volume, slope is equal to tan 90 is equal to infinity. Isothermal, PV is equal to C, VdP plus PdV is equal to 0, dP by dV is equal to minus PV by V. Slope of isothermal curve on PV diagram. Adiabatic process, PV power gamma is equal to C, V power gamma dP plus P gamma V power gamma minus 1 dV is equal to 0, dP by dV is equal to minus gamma P by V. For slope of adiabatic process, slope of adiabatic process is actually gamma times slope of isothermal process. Area of cycle in a PV diagram gives net work transfer. All cyclic or clockwise cycles are power producing cycles, whereas all anti-clockwise cycles are power consuming cycles. These are all problems. Work ratio, we will come to it again. W net by W positive. Work ratio, W net by W positive.